Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I went on Pinterest looking for a large wall clock for my bathroom, and I came across these beautiful crushed glass wall clocks and standing clocks, and I would like to create my own using my own technique and style. If you would like to find out how I created my own wall clock, just continue watching. To start, I'll use foam board and I'll cut it into strips, and here are the sizes you will need. Once I have my sizes cut, I will cover them with mirror reflective tape. Next, I'll use craft and displaying board, and I'll start placing the strips on top of the board. I didn't really have a particular pattern in mind, but I did come up with this pattern. Next, I'll place them 1.5 inches apart. Once I was done with my placement, I used a marker to mark them in place, and then I added hot glue to glue them onto the board. Next, I'll use a ruler and marker, and I'll draw straight lines 1.5 inches across in between the spaces. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I'll use my X-Acto knife, and I'll start cutting around the frame. Next, I needed an 8-inch circle, so I'll be using this wall clock base to draw my circle. I did draw it a little off center towards the top. Once I was satisfied with my placement, I used an X-Acto knife to cut the center. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I apply 4 painter sticks that you may find at your local Home Depot for free, and I apply them on the back side of the frame using hot glue. Next, I apply one light coat of metallic silver acrylic paint on the white part just to cover the white up a little bit, but you may also use metallic silver spray paint before you add the strips. While the paint was drying, I started working on my clock, and I purchased this clock from Walmart for $3.98. I started by taking the clock apart. Once I was done taking my clock apart, I spray painted metallic silver. While I was painting, I added some silver glitter dust for extra shimmer. Next, I'll be using these large gems that I already had on hand from Michaels, and I'll be gluing them on the clock. Next, I'll be applying clear Elmer's glue and crushed glass, and I'll be applying a generous amount. You guys have seen me done this many a times in previous videos, and I will have those videos linked below. I let it dry for 2 hours and added a second coat of clear glue just to prevent any falling. Once my crushed glass was dry, I turned it around and glued both pieces together, and I hold it in place by using hot glue. Next, I use 4 packs of silver dessert spoons, and I just snap off the head part and applied. Next, I apply white fairy lights, and I will have these linked below, and I just apply them by using hot glue and a little bit of foil tape. And here's the finished look. I really do love the way this clock turned out, and this is a large piece. The measurements are 25 by 27. The mirror reflection and the crushed glass shimmering is so beautiful, and the camera is not doing it any justice. I will have other DIY videos linked below where I've used silver dessert spoons. The lighting on this wall clock is so bright and it will light up any room in your home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Subscribe if you haven't, and like and share with family and friends. Comment if you wish and click those notification bells for more upcoming future videos. See you real soon.